Michael from KLEMM Music Technology. We are the German distributor of MOTU for many years, for 30 years. So we have some interfaces here at the Music Messe in Frankfurt. We have our small interfaces M2, M4, M6, and our Ultralight MK5, and our brand new 828 interface. It's the 7th generation of the 828. MOTU invented Firewire audio, the original 828, 20 years ago. And now we have the 7th generation. Fantastic audio quality and a lot of channels, 60 channels total, 28 in, 32 out, and a very beautiful display. Let me see if we have music. We need music. So okay, so you can see the fantastic displays, very nice. So, but that's not all. We expect more MOTU interfaces this year. The next interface will be a Dolby Atmos interface. This will be the next interface. I'm not sure when it's coming out. I guess in between spring and summer this year. And then we expect more MOTU AVB network interfaces and more MK5 based interface like the 88 and the Ultralight, which all use the same software, the MK5 console.